welcome to ABraz Around the House. Today we're going to be reviewing a product that I've had for about a year, and it's called the Racor Garage Ceiling Storage Lift. And just love it. It's a great product, and so we're going to jump right in and give you a review of that product after having used it for a year, and hopefully this will help you. The product itself on Amazon runs between $400 and $500, and as you can see, it's called the Racor Garage Ceiling Storage Rack Lift, and it is just what you see here is pretty much what I have, with the exception of that locking device is actually set up opposite on mine, and then it's red instead of yellow. So but beyond that, very similar. It has a adjustable, and we'll get into some of these parts in the video, but it has adjustable eyelets, and you can adjust it to level it, and has a little gearbox there, and then you can load it up with whatever you want, up to about 250 pounds, I believe, is what it allows. And it's been reliable. It has been a good product, like I said before, for me. And you can use a drill, or you can manually, it comes with this part here, you can manually turn it to lower it and raise it. I much prefer the drill. It's faster and easier to use, and if you have a cordless drill in your garage, makes it pretty straightforward. So, well, as you can see, I utilize the drill with it, and simply just keep this bar here stored above my cabinets. Just grab my cordless drill and get to it. Unlock it, hook it on, and lower it down. I'll pause this here for a moment. You'll notice that when this is up in its full position, it is above the garage door. So one thing that facilitated me putting it in this location was the fact that my garage door is a direct drive rather than the mechanism being right in the center of the garage. So of course I love this. This probably should be a review in and of itself, as the direct drive garage door opener, but this is capable of doing this and kind of getting things out of the way and not real visible, being above the garage door. I usually just leave that hanging like that with the drill, because it even with the garage door open, it doesn't hit it. So, of course, I store my mower, my weed eater, my blower, my bagger, and a couple other items, a trimmer and a chainsaw. And here's where you can kind of get a little better shot of that locking mechanism. I really do like that feature. Once it's up and locked into place, it really can't come down, by vibration or anything like that. And here's the adjustable. You can see I had to adjust this one all the way out to make it level, portion of it. It has a little gearbox there. It's supposed to be maintenance free, so you're not supposed to have to grease it or anything like that. This part right here, that all came as one piece, so you don't have to do any kind of manipulation on the actual wire there. All I had to do was take that eyelet and drop it in, and then adjust it. Of course, you have to put the rack together itself, and it comes in pieces. There's like I think 3 different parts to that rack as far as the base of it. Another feature I do like is the fact that it doesn't it's not solid, so it's not going to collect dust. That seems to be a good feature. And when it doesn't have weight on it, sometimes I do notice this. It kind of goes back over the winding portion of that wire. That's without weight. Weight kind of, I think, holds it and keeps it in place. So then I open the garage door. You can see it barely clears that. Of course, can cut my grass and do all the things outside that I need to do. Usually I just leave the garage door open during this time. Use an electric mower. I think that a little peace of mind there. I don't have gasoline in the garage up high like that when it gets hot in that garage. Then of course I do clean it out every time because I don't like the smell that the grass clippings, if they're not taken care of. I don't always wash it. This is periodically I will wash it out, maybe every 4 or 5 times I mow, but normally I'll just blow it off. There's another couple products I need to review. These this self-winding air compressor hose and extension cord are really some great products. And of course, lower it back down and start putting everything back on. Like I said, I think this is about 200 pounds worth of equipment on it, maybe a little less, but it doesn't exceed the 250 pound limit. We put it back up into place and lock it in. Usually do a sweeping of the garage, and sometimes every other time I'll go ahead and mop it as well. Just become part of the process of cutting the grass and all of that. Well, that's the review of the Racor garage storage lift, and hopefully this video is helping you make a decision. I love it, and it's 5 stars in my book. It's been very good for the full year that I've used it. No problems whatsoever, and it kind of keeps all that mower and stuff that I don't want cluttering up the garage out of the way. So again, hopefully it helps you. God bless you. Have a great day.